Hi, this is David Leal. I'm with Eltec at Solar Power International 2012 in Orlando. Eltec is a power system and power supply manufacturer that has 4 different business units: telecom, renewable, e-mobility and industrial. And we're here showing our residential inverter, which is pictured right here. We start off at a 2.2 kilowatt and go all the way up to 4.4 kilowatts. It's Sun Alliance specified, and it's also a UL approved inverter. Relatively new entrants in the market, but we have the highest efficiency in a transformer based inverter. So we're really looking forward to doing well in this market, and encourage people to come out and look at our product, because we know we can compete both on price and on standards. And for more information on Eltec, you can visit www.eltec.com, which is ELTEK. Our North American office is based out of Richardson, Texas, so we have full support in North America. Thank you.